Hey, welcome back. Are you looking for a way to unleash your creativity, personalize your space, or simply enjoy a satisfying or budget friendly hobby? Die. Yes, do it yourself. Projects might be like just what you need. Die projects are a fantastic way to craft, create, and customize items for your home and personal use. Die allows you to create unique items that reflects your personality and style. Dye often saves your money. It's a fantastic way to exercise your creativity. Completing a dye project is immensely satisfying. Here are some ideas that you can create. First of all, you need to upcycle furniture. Give new life to your old furniture. And next, create your own artwork. Decorative pillows or custom made shelving. Start a garden, build raised beds, or make unique planters for your indoor outdoor plants. Craft your own jewelry pieces using beads, wires, and other materials. Learn these traditional skills to make scraps, blankets, or even clothing. Candle making is a good idea. Design and create your own scented candles for relaxation and gifting. Personalized gifts such as hand printed mugs and pillows, fire pits, build a tree house, construct a bird house to enhance your outdoor living. Experiment with natural ingredients like that make your own skincare and bath products. Sew your own clothing from simple accessories to more complex. So, roll up your sleeves, gather your materials, and start making your own design and creativity to the world of dye project. Hope you like my videos and tips. Share with others and keep watching me.